BenQ, a renowned technology company, has recently announced the release of its latest innovation, the LH730 projector. This cutting-edge projector is specifically developed for commercial use in retail establishments and office environments. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the LH730 projector, BenQ has introduced several upgrades to enhance user experience and performance. The new projector marks its debut in the United States with an impressive set of specifications. One standout feature of this projector is its powerful light source, which delivers an exceptional brightness of up to 4000 ANSI lumens. This high level of brightness ensures clear and vibrant visuals even in well-lit environments, making it an ideal choice for retail spaces and offices, where ambient lighting can be a challenge. The BenQ LH730 projector offers a range of impressive features that contribute to its exceptional performance and versatility. One notable aspect is its long-lasting light source, which is rated for an impressive 30,000 hours in basic eco mode. The projector also includes a 1.2x zoom capability, providing users with sufficient image adjustment options. This feature allows for flexibility in projection setup, enabling users to achieve the desired image size and position in different environments. The BenQ is developed to deliver accurate and vibrant colors, covering an impressive 98% of the Rec. 709 color gamut. The projector offers various modes specifically tailored for different content types, further optimizing the viewing experience for specific use cases. Image perfection is achieved through the LH730's advanced tools and features. It incorporates two-dimensional or auto-vertical keystone correction, allowing for easy adjustment and alignment of the projected image. Additionally, the corner fit and digital shrinking tools help optimize the image shape and size, ensuring that it fits perfectly within the desired projection area. Controlling the LH730 projector is made convenient and flexible through various methods. It can be controlled using the dedicated DMS app, providing users with an intuitive and user-friendly interface to manage the projector's settings and functions. Additionally, the projector is compatible with third-party services, expanding the control options to suit individual preferences and integration needs. The LH730 can be mounted on the ceiling or placed on a table, offering versatile installation options to accommodate different environments and setups. This flexibility enables users to optimize the projection arrangement based on their specific requirements. Furthermore, the projector offers an optional Wi-Fi dongle, enabling wireless casting from mobile devices and PCs. This wireless capability adds convenience and allows for seamless content sharing and collaboration. The LH730 also features a 4-way split screen, allowing for multiple presentations to be displayed simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful in collaborative environments or during events where multiple presenters need to share their content concurrently. The BenQ LH730 projector is currently priced at $1,299 in the United States. This competitive price point positions the LH730 as a premium offering within its segment, providing users with a feature-rich projection solution at an accessible price. While the LH730 is initially launched in the United States, BenQ is expected to make it available in other markets outside the US as well. This global availability allows customers from various regions to benefit from the projector's advanced features and capabilities, catering to a wider audience of professionals and businesses seeking high-quality projection solutions. In summary, the BenQ LH730 projector combines powerful performance, color accuracy, and flexible control options to cater to the diverse needs of users. Its long-lasting light source, high contrast ratio, and image adjustment capabilities contribute to delivering captivating visuals. With its comprehensive range of features and modes, the LH730 is a reliable and versatile projection solution for professional settings. Thank you for watching this video. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.